Unbox the Tineco iFloor 3 Breeze complete with me. It has easy to read instructions on how to assemble and use the machine. In the box, you will get the instructions and an extra filter, 2 bottles of their cleaning solution, the charger, and an extra roller. There's the other cleaning solution. Here is the handle to the machine. It is sleek, lightweight, comfortable, and has minimal buttons. This is the base the machine will sit on to charge and to self-clean. And here's the actual machine itself. Again, very lightweight and sleek. I like that you have everything you need, plus a few extras to operate this machine in the one box. To fill the water tank, you simply remove it, lift the tab, fill the tank with regular water, and then add a cap full of the cleaning solution. Don't go past the max line. Place the tank back on the machine and you are ready to go. The Tineco is really easy to use. Just tilt it back and press start and it will turn on and start cleaning the floors. The roller spins to scrub the floors well, and it also helps propel the machine forward. So when you're using the machine, it is extremely lightweight and requires minimal effort to push forward and pull backwards. The Tineco doesn't utilize steam to clean the floors, but instead the cleaning solution and the roller. I was impressed with how much dirt it actually picked up and how clean it was leaving my floors. It also reaches well closer to the walls and the cabinets. One thing I will say is that the clean water tank runs out fast, which in turn fills the dirty water tank fast. If you're not paying attention, the dirty water will start to leak from the machine and your machine will continue to clean the floors with it. So to dump the water out, you simply take the dirty water tank out, take the filter out of the way, and dump the dirty water out. The water will contain everything the machine has picked up: debris, hair, and in my case, little hair rubber bands. You could dump the water tank in a sink or toilet. After each use, I like to start the self-cleaning process. So what you do is fill the clean water tank over 40% with water. Make sure you clean the dirty water tank before starting the self-cleaning process. I just rinse it with hot water. Press the start button for about 3 to 4 seconds and it will start the self-cleaning process. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes total. During this time, you'll see the roller spinning and then dirty water filling up the dirty water tank. It will do it twice during the self-cleaning cycle. Once it's done, I give everything a good rinse with hot water, making sure to get the filter, the roller, and the area around the roller. And then you'll place it back on its base to charge for the next time you use it. The floors feel super clean once I finish using the Tineco. It is very easy to use, and cleaning the machine is a little time consuming, but not difficult to do. Before, it would take me about an hour to sweep and mop my floors. With the Tineco, it takes me about 30 to 35 minutes, including the time taken to clean the machine. Overall, I am happy with my purchase and the extra time I get to spend with my kids.